si Juan de la Cruz endorsed by being a candidate and getting elected to the executive department. Barangay captain, governor, or even president or vice president. You don't have to be a college graduate para president. Right? The legislature president, Juan de la Cruz, by presenting himself as a candidate for the legislative position, councilor, congressman, or even senator, without any special qualification. If there's a judicial department, hindi mo kakasali si Juan de la Cruz dyan kung hindi siya dinidemanda, siya lang dinidemanda. Exclusive club ng abogado yan, San Jose. Abogado ka pero San Jose, that exclusive club ng abogado. Sa jury trial, magkakaroon ng people power sa judiciary. Walang malakas, walang mahina, pagkay-pagkay ang tao. Kaya yun ang tinatakbo namin ni Pearson sa Carlo.